What's up, guys? Craigslist Civic coming back at you. We're going for a road trip today. It'll be a surprise when we get there. It's gonna be fun. I'm with my man Derek.
How you doing?
AKA D-Rock, AKA
Chili,
AKA Skinny Penis.
AKA don't worry, it's thick, it's fat, and it's ready to go.
So, that being said, let's get on the road. So we just came through the Baltimore Tunnel, headed on our way out to Western Maryland. About to go past the port. See if there's cruise ships in. No cruise ships today.
Yeah, no cruise ships.
No cruise Maryland today. Going through past the harbor. You're about to get a shot of one of the shittiest cities, as I like to put it, in the United States of America. Right to your right.
And there it is.
Yeah, we live close enough to the third shittiest city in the country. Also known for the Baltimore riots. Freddie Gregg at the point.
Yeah. Oh man, yeah. Definitely, I could say some other things, but we'll just leave it at that.
The infamous Baltimore Sun Building.
Yep.
But at any rate, we are, according to GPS, we're still about an hour out. So, check back in a little bit. What's up, y'all? About 15 minutes out from where we're going. I don't know if you can see, but in the background it's a little hazy. But it's the beauty of living in the state of Maryland. We got it all here. We got mountains, we got beaches, we got big cities, and we got everything.
For I-270 south toward Washington.
Oh, okay. 53A. Alright, so yeah. Big reason.
There they are.
There we go.
There's the mountains. Is there a way to zoom in on
Yeah,
this?
it's W on the bottom.
Oh, come on, trees. Get out the way. There's
Oh, yeah.
one of them back there. There they are. Yeah, there they are.
Yep.
I wish it wasn't so cloudy, because it's about to snow. But I wish it wasn't so cloudy so you guys can see it. It is actually a pretty nice state when you get out and about, especially away from the city. It's nice. It's definitely nice. You want to say anything else?
And we're almost there, so guess we'll fill you in when we get everything situated and we do this deal. And then I'm pretty sure y'all know what's going on, so. But yeah, see you then.
See ya.
What's going on, guys? On my way back now, coming back from Hagerstown. Well, Frederick or Hagerstown, somewhere out in the middle of freaking nowhere. Just picked up the thing, which I'm sure you probably know what it is. I keep saying that, but even if you don't, you probably do. So the next time we talk, I guess I'll be showing you what it is, because I can't. I'm on the highway right now, so I really can't show you. And the person's house I was just at, I didn't want to be rude and film, you know, just because, you know, I'm polite, and they were pretty nice guys. Don't you say so, Derek?
Yeah, they had some pretty nice cars there too.
Yeah, they had some cool. They had a few projects going on.
Yeah, that 240, and they had that S14.
There's S14.
Yeah, they had the S14, which I was trying to buy it from him, of course.
Yeah, he wasn't coming off.
No, he wasn't coming off that, but the 240, he's thinking about it, so I might have to get back to him on that one.
And then he gave me a free rear lower strut brace.
Should I pull that out?
Yeah, if you want. It's neochrome.
Yeah, it's a nice.
A little rusted up,
but hey,
so
I like
probably
the color.
Won't be neochrome anymore. I'll probably sand it down and paint it red to match my rear lower control arm.
Although I still think that I like the color. I still think you could get it back to it.
No.
You can't?
No, that's just paint. It's not like it's anodized.
Anyways, carry on.
So yeah, I'll sand it down and I'll paint it red to match my rear lower control arms. Which, oh yeah, by the way, I never made a video putting them in, but they went in when I lowered the car. But again, like I said, I got a video coming up where I'm gonna put in. I'm gonna switch back over to my Skunk 2 struts. I have the factory ones in now. I put them in for the winter, thinking I was, you know, but winter's been really mild so far, and these front ones don't ride as well as the Skunk 2s going back across the city. We'll probably make another short little clip here. But Derek, got anything to say before we?
Actually, at the moment, right now, not too much. It's actually been a pretty good trip, and I enjoy always rolling with my boy here. And it's always a good time. So, and I'm always down for more adventures with you, my friend. So, you know who to call.
Of course, let me get this camera. This is the coolest thing about traveling out here in the mountains. You know, they got that 70-mile speed limit, so you know you always want to do about 10 over, just to make sure you stay with the flow. That's what I like about driving out here. So, at any rate, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what we've all been waiting for. After 3 hours of driving out to the middle of freaking nowhere. So I went and I bought one of these today. Not exactly sure on all specs. I do know the trim wheel is a 50, but it is everything I need. I was told it's AC compatible. Everything I need, everything. I mean, everything. It's probably got more than what I need. It's got this big, stupid 60mm wastegate on it, which is way overkill. But the Honda will take care of that, so I'm not worried about that. Came with all my couplers, all my intercooler piping. Looks like 2 1/4 intercooler piping, which I'm fine with. It's not a big deal. I'm not really looking to make over, 320 horsepower. Got my came down pipe, and the big old snail ski herself. Like I said, it's got a 50 trim arm. It's got a T3 flange. And, okay, here we go. And it's got a 63 hot side. So it's a 5063. So, we're gonna let her rip Tater Chip. And, sorry, Cletus had to steal, or Richard had to steal that one from you. But, yeah, the intercooler, everything. Mounting hardware for that, everything, blow-off valve, fuel pressure reg, you name it. It's got the sending unit.
I love the color of the blow-off valve, though.
Dash 10 return. There's, all my clamps, everything. A lot of this stuff, like, there's my, for the, oil pan. Some return line fitting. Yep, pretty much all that stuff. So, came with the catch can, which is a mystery to us right now because it's not vented.
Good color though.
Yeah, it's cool looking. It'll maybe sort of match. If anybody can tell me what the deal with these things are in the comments, why there's no venting on this thing? Do I have to drill my own venting? I don't know. I'm just gonna have to do some research, hit the old the Google and see what they say. So,
but yeah, definitely a nice little setup you got going on here. So couldn't beat it. To be honest with you.
It's like a sore dick, you can't beat it. So you know,
the good stuff,
for
right?
the price I paid for it, it's definitely well worth it. Told myself I really didn't want to do a China charger setup, but you know what? It's a T3 flange. I can always get another turbo in the future if I don't like this one. Yeah. So with the price I paid, with another set of a turbo, I'm not crying over spilled milk. It's not that big a deal. But
is the milk even really spilled? You know?
Right. You know. So it'll be worth it. It'll do what I need to do. Now for what I paid for this and Honda, I'm taking the $1,000 off my budget right there. So
it's a good deal. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. No spilled milk.
Yeah. So
no spilled milk, my friend.
Take this one out. I'm just gonna say I'm tired. I'm beat. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna get a drink. And I'd like to thank Derek for coming along.
Hey, anytime, my man. Anytime. Always enjoy the fun, the pleasure, and the rides. And of course, who doesn't like going and getting car parts, especially turbo stuff? You know what I mean?
So, until next time, guys. Which my next video will probably going to be putting in the intake and the throttle body, which isn't going to be a super long video because it's really not a long job. Probably take about an hour altogether, if that. Which that's ready to go. I ported it. I haven't posted that video yet, but obviously, by the time this goes up, that'll be on, so you guys can check that out. I'll put a link up in the description, probably here maybe, or it might be here. I don't know.
One side. It's one of them.
It'll be up around here somewhere. But yeah, other than that, peace.
Hey, have fun, and hopefully next time.
Oh yeah.
Derek gets to come along.
And make sure like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and be sure to drop a comment down below.
Always.